For Geneva Watch Days 2025, Alpina expands its Seastrong Diver Extreme automatic line with two new vintage-styled editions. Compact, rugged, and versatile, these models balance Alpina's alpine spirit with serious underwater credentials. The watch features a 39 by 40.5 millimeter cushion-shaped stainless steel case, just 12.65 millimeters thick. Brushed surfaces with polished bevels give it a sporty yet refined finish. A matte black ceramic bezel with deep notches frames the dial, while a screw-down crown, crown guards, and a protective bumper underline its toolwatch DNA. Water resistance? A full 300 meters. On the dial, Alpina keeps things clean and legible, with oversized triangular markers at 12 and a date at 6. Both new editions feature luminous segments for low-light visibility. The first model brings a black sandblasted dial with faux patina old radium, superluminova, delivering that warm vintage character. The second opts for a khaki grain-textured dial, rugged and tactical, evoking outdoor exploration as much as diving missions. Inside is the reliable automatic AL525 caliber, based on the Sellita SW200, running at 28,800 vibrations per hour with a 38-hour power reserve. Simple, robust, and built for daily wear. Each watch comes on a textured black rubber strap with a folding clasp, designed for comfort and versatility whether you're under the sea or on dry land. Priced at €1,995 or 1,995 Swiss francs, the new Alpina Seastrong Diver Extreme vintage-styled editions offer rugged performance with a fresh, retro twist. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews of the latest releases from Geneva Watch Days and beyond.